Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the Warpath on your device, which gives you unlimited resources. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It works on iOS and Android, and it is super insane. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this onto your device. So yeah, it is super cool, guys, totally working. So if you like to play the Warpath, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this onto your device, because it is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, guys, we need to go to Hex Mods. So once we're on the website, we're going to go to the search bar and find Warpath. Press on it, press the download button, and we're good to go. So be sure to go and try us out. We'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So yeah, as you can see, guys, if you go to the App Store and type in Warpath, it is super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend money on this game. So as you can see, guys, what the heck, look how much they're charging. So yeah, if you don't want to spend money, I'm with you. I'm with you, bro. You can do a modded version today. So try it out. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and totally working. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. Yeah, it's like updated and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, it's super cool, guys. So yeah, I don't know why anyone else would try this method, but it is updated and everything. So be sure to go and try it out so I can make more videos for you guys. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, guys. It's updated and everything like that. So yeah, have fun with the method and enjoy it. It's super cool, guys. It's updated. You can be rich with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super cool. It's updated and everything. So I'll see you later and subscribe. This is super crazy and it works well.